hours or maybe an hour. And I'm going to show you guys the slimes we made.
I don't
Dude,
want
this
to
is
show.
perfect, Jasmine. Look.
I don't want to show that one. Daddy,
We'll make more. Don't worry, dude.
I don't want to show that one.
Dude, okay, so
We'll make
this
more. Here, put a charm in here. Put a charm in
I
the bowl.
want to put in my own.
Look at this.
So we're trying this one. It's like a yellow. And then, so when we started, I don't want to like show you guys because I feel like I'm going to be a good surprise.
Yeah, that's a cute one.
You can't really see the charm because
Okay, don't have to press it in. Just leave it. And then close it.
this is, there's scent in here, and
This is.
there's
Okay.
this one.
And now go
Can't
down
show you
this
'cause
one.
There's a charm
Huh?
in it.
Never, I'm going to show this one.
Yeah, you will.
No, I will.
Yeah, you will.
No.
I love the charms. And this one is the one I made. It's called Marshmallow.
And this one called, oh, Daddy.
And I'm gonna show you the thing because it's synced in. So when you like, so if you guys
So
buy
this is mine.
it might be really sticky. So
Icky.
so sorry about that. 'Cause
And this is my slime. This is all I get.
you couldn't see it.
This is my slime and I call it Mossy.
Chloe, it's going
These are
to
kind
spill
of like
out.
the same, but this one's like.
This slime calls
Dark.
Mossy.
Sorry. Yeah, this one's kind of like darker. So it has a.
Charm.
I'm never going to sell this one.
It's a bow.
Is it me? Stash.
That's not your stash, bro.
Yeah, give me a.
Okay, we know you guys are ready. Let's make some more. Let's try to make 3 more jars, and then when mommy gets home, mommy can make some with you to make the rest. And then we'll fill out all the jars, and then you can start selling it however you want.
Has a carrot with a bunny.
Maya has a birthday coming up. Maybe you can ask if anybody wants to buy slime, and then you can put it over there.
But
Right now?
when you buy,
Today?
No, next week.
oh daddy,
It
are
makes
you
some
gonna,
up.
can you buy more containers?
Yeah, but you have to sell it all first.
Okay.
Okay, let's make some more.
Okay, let me move these out of the way.
Okay, move everything out of the way. Get your bowls.
My dad has a big green one and Colin has a small one and I have the medium.
Arlo cannot eat this or he will die. Guys, put that kind away.
We're recording.
Oh, well. You're recording too close to you, bro.
Make another one.
Okay, you guys ready? Okay, I'll pour it in.
Make another one, Daddy. Okay, again.
And we're gonna put glue inside it.
Thank you.
So we're gonna fill up 3 more big ones.
Do we? How about Samantha then?
Oh, I can't see. Not enough? Let's see. Oh, no, I don't think so.
That's too much.
Okay. Oh, yeah, that might be too much. Hold your spoon, please.
Oh my gosh, Daddy, we're gonna run out of activator.
We have another one over here.
Oh, okay. Phew.
Good.
3, that is 2.5 spoons.
Okay.
Can I put this one in?
No, Chloe, that's an old slime.
Okay, right.
Put it anywhere with your
Okay,
old one.
so mix it up now.
No, wait.
1.
Chloe, careful, Chloe.
2. And I'm gonna put like 1 more drop.
Give me that. I'm going to do it.
I'll do it for you.
2 drops.
Okay, pour it in. 1.
I'm so excited to show these to you guys. Like, oh, I gotta tell you the prices. $4, and these small containers are $2.
Stick it there.
What's better for super portions?
Yeah. That's why I'm going.
You might need more activated because we put more with this spoon.
Yeah.
Mine is a
Let's do
little.
another half spoon.
Mine's not good, Daddy.
Oops.
Slippery.
Oh, too much.
I want it like this.
Oh, are you crazy? Are you crazy?
So we got the charms. We bought them from online
Oh, here.
on Amazon. We're still trying to figure out how to start my slime business because
And
This is
together and kill it.
hard work. By the way, I'm on summer.
And our mom and our brother and our dog is at daycare and our mom is at work. And Daddy's here to help us.
God, I think I need more activated.
Me too.
I think
Yeah, I think we all need more activated.
I think
Hey, you put too much glue.
Well, I think you might be okay. Keep mixing it, Chloe.
Daddy's you were activated on me.
Hey, Chloe. Chloe, you might need a little bit more. Let's see. Mix it some more. I can't tell what it's yours. It's not mixed well.
I'm standing up so I can get mixed together. This is very hard work. I can't see it. Oh. Sorry guys, that was Chili and Bubba.
Chili and boo boo.
And then really make
Girls say
it
cheese.
Cheese. That sounds dirty. That's slime. Are you gonna send this to mommy?
Oh my God, I have slime on my phone.
I know, that's what I told you.
That's just good, huh? Oh, is this good?
Oops.
Oh yeah, this is good. Keep mixing it.
I don't know why I keep touching it. Okay, I'm just gonna put
Sorry. That was a little bit.
Hey, you guys ready for your oh, is yours good enough?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, is yours good?
a little bit. No,
You need
sticky.
more activator?
Sure.
Give me your spoon.
I just put it on the. I'll just mix it with my
After
hands.
this, we are going to stink in our room.
Yeah, I'm gonna add food color. It's mine. This time I'm gonna make it so dark. I'll make a purple one. Grape. Blueberry.
I want to
Blue grape? Blue grape?
No. I'll do this one.
Wait, let me see. Did you do that one yet?
No. Now, did we this one? Did we do this one?
Which color is that? Purple. I don't know what it says.
And what it says?
Read it.
I just a Golda.
Stop, bro.
I don't know how to read, okay?
It says purple cabbage?
Purple
I don't know,
cabbage.
but 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, I think it's good. Shaving cream.
Make it
Yeah.
darker.
2.
make it really dark.
Oh, it's blue.
We'll make it really dark.
I got on my pajama.
It's okay. Be careful. Just be careful. What color did I just do, Chloe? I just forgot. Great?
Yeah.
I did great.
I think you did blue. Blue.
Oh, Chloe got blue. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah, I have 8.
Yeah, you have 8.
That's it, you get 8.
Oh, look, Chloe.
Mine is super bluey.
You look like your Phantom Drink from yesterday.
What's Phantom Dream?
Oh, what is McDonald's?
Oh, yeah. But it looks like the other one.
Guys, you didn't put coloring in there yet.
No, I'm mixing it because I put a shade cream.
But nobody's supposed to put coloring first.
What?
You're supposed to put coloring first.
No?
Yeah.
This looks like the same color like other one. Hey, look. Yours is definitely purple.
Oh, we gotta mix it some more.
Wait. My color is orange. Can you pick me? Oh.
Do the strawberry one.
I did that already.
Oh, you did it?
Yes?
You did?
Yeah, look.
Okay, I want to make it really red. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I keep mixing it, okay, Chloe?
I got some on my hands.
Yeah, because you touched it, that's why. So you're not to touch it until you get all the food all mixed in.
Oh, look what's happening to my bowl. Oh my gosh, it looks.
What? Looks like blood? That's because you did. That's you know why it's like that? Because you put your shaving cream in already. Bro. What is yours? Let me help you.
Mine is stinky.
Okay, Chloe, use your hand.
Now?
Use your hand. I'm gonna put whipped cream in mine now.
Whipped cream?
I mean,
Shaving cream.
I think you put shaving cream yours too.
I'm just gonna use my. It's pink.
I want it to be red.
Yeah, mine is pink too. They all got blue. Daddy, where I put this at?
No, put them. Don't put it in your bowl, bro.
I can't pick it up. Daddy, I can't pick it up.
You're mixing it with your hand.
Yeah, it's turning out pink.
Slowly,
Daddy, it's turning out pink.
Okay, it's darker.
Oh, it's darker.
It's darker. You need more whipped cream?
yeah.
Keep on getting on my.
Yeah. Just take your shirt off like me.
I don't have any bra on, dude.
Okay. Now we're business.
What?
Like this, Chloe.
It's not working.
It is.
It's very.
Ooh, this one turned out good.
Mine is looking good too.
Mine too. Oh, I feel like we made too much.
I think it might be a little bit too much, but oh well. We can keep some for ourselves.
This.
Just like tiny.
Yeah.
Spread it everywhere. Just spread it everywhere.
Daddy was recording us.
Hmm.
Daddy, are you recording us?
I'm recording you.
slime,
Pink slime.
pink slime,
Oh, we
and I
hear that.
got purple slime. Sliding sucks. A little bit better.
I'm going to put it on a table.
Okay. Okay, move your bowl. So, Jazzy, is this your official start to your slime business?
Yes.
Yes.
Well, hopefully you are successful
Yep.
And get a lot of money.
and then pay your daddy.
No, pay somebody else. I'm going to eat my slime, but you should split the money.
Like how you did.
Oh, sweating my clothes. Careful not to get in your hair and your clothes, okay, girls?
Okay.
If it gets in your hair and your clothes, then that means we have to throw it away and cut it off. This one is good.
Mine is a little bit good.
This one is the stickiest one. Ew, I farted. This is the stickiest one I've had. I feel like I need more shaving cream, though. Can you give me something?
What?
Actually, I'll get it. Oh, you guys okay?
Can I go try and make
I want to make the one. I want to make it with the clay. But
food?
you can do it with mommy later.
You can do it too.
We can do the whole family. But except for Anya,
And Arlo.
and Colin and them.
Kyle.
If this fills the other one, then we can put the rest in the small one.
Daddy, look.
Or do you need more slide?
It
Or do you
looks like
just...
Mimi.
Oh, this one's better now.
It looks like Mimi, Chaplin.
Is this scented? I think it's because of this, Jasmine.
What?
I think this smells.
Yeah, I know.
I think it's the shaving cream.
Should I ever say?
Oh, is yours good, or do you need more shaving cream?
It's good.
Let me see. Oh, yours is good. Yeah.
Thank you. It's bigger than anybody. Bigger than anybody.
So this is what you're gonna get if you buy the slime from my slime shop, but we haven't done it yet.
Yes. Because we still need to do something about it.
You still need to make it.
And our dad and mom did.
Oh, this is my best slime so far.
This is my best slime.
This is my best slime.
We should keep it and play with it a lot.
Okay, I'm ready to put mine in that container.
Okay, let me get some container.
Me too.
I can't show you guys to my dad because he's naked.
Okay.
Look at him.
Okay.
Sorry, you guys.
Is it Jasmine's slime? Isn't it Jasmine and Chloe?
And Samantha, I have helpers.
And Kayla.
Yeah.
Okay, here.
Give me that container too.
Wait, that's not how you stick it in there.
How do you close to get in here?
No, you don't do this. Look.
No, we can do whatever we want, Daddy.
Fine. Oh god, it's so full.
I
Fill
think
it as much as you can to the top.
we added too much of that.
Okay, you mean glue?
Yeah, glue. That's why I can't fit it. Can't fit, guys. Mine doesn't
Okay.
fit.
So I'm gonna try to put this one in the small containers. Let's see.
Daddy,
What, bro?
mine doesn't fit in.
Yeah, just fit in a little bit.
Bubble.
Gosh, it's just falling. Where's my... Dad, I don't have a cap.
Oh, you used to have too much, I think.
I don't have a lid, Daddy. Daddy, I don't have a lid.
You don't have a lid?
I'll just fit this one into...
Oh, you have too much, dude. Is this all you have, Chloe?
Yeah.
That's all? Yours fits perfectly in here.
Yeah, but that other one doesn't. Ooh, yay. Thank you, Jasmine.
Well, I'm gonna put this one over here with the rest of your slime.
No!
Yeah, it's not gonna fit in the small one. Jasmine, you can still fit more. Look.
Daddy, give me it. I will put it in the little one.
Well, pretty charming, that Chloe.
Oh, I forgot. Give me some tongs.
Charms.
Oh, pretty cute. Okay, I'm gonna put them. Hey, do you just eat it?
What are you talking about, bro?
Sorry if this video is like longer than my other videos.
Let's go make some more.
Are we?
Mommy, you guys gotta mix it with mommy, remember?
Oh, yeah.
If we mix some more, then I think we'll do the rest of them with clay. And if we run out of clay, or when we do with mommy, if you run out of clay, then you can do
Whipped cream?
Cream? Shaving cream?
Shaving cream?
Done.
probably all make 3.
Oh.
Oh,
Yeah, okay, let's see.
a lot of more.
Oh, you put a charm in there.
Oh, for you?
Yeah.
For you? Okay, I need put two for Daddy.
Go. I'm doing this.
How do you wash slime?
You just wash it. With water.
And it comes off?
Yeah, I think so.
How come yours has like so many colors in here?
And then I put the charm in.
You put the charm in?
Look how much.
That's how you gonna make your labels. I have a label there, but you have to write on it though. You have to write like your.
I only get 2.
I'll have mommy label it later.
These are for mine.
I'll have mommy label it later. Because mommy has better handwriting.
Okay, so can we put the stickers on?
You wanna put the stickers on right now? Oh.
Okay.
Okay, stop your video.